Cool. So here we are, approximately 3 years later, and we're just now getting to this point of disassembly, open the thing up. And what I noticed, there's a hole over here also. Probably won't be able to see that because of lack of light, but oddly enough there's a hole there. I'm not going to try to flip it around to provide more light. It's too much work. It's too heavy. Stop. There is nothing usable in this thing.
No, not that I've seen so far.
I guess as what is standard with a Taurus SHO engine is, I'm just kind of annotating. I'm saying, as a standard with this kind of engine, it's like the number 5 cylinder has, how shall we say, come apart. But at least I've got a few other cores to use as parts. And I'm not going to do anything with the heads or the top end or anything, because this is the template to how the new one goes together. And it's just going to have to serve as an example. Now, for example, you've got all sorts of neat and wondrous little things here that, if I was to just take this out and 3 years go by before you go put it back together, it would be bad. So